Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I make videos about art and related stuff, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today's video is about reference images. We as artists find it extremely difficult to find copyright free art images and references. Now why do you need copyright free images? Because you sell your paintings and that is why you need to have copyright free images. The first method that I'm going to show you is extremely easy but fairly unknown. Yes, Google. Yeah, it's Google. Now just Google the image that you want. Here I'm trying to search landscape photography. I go into images and these are all the search results that I get, but these are not all copyright free images. So what do we have to do? We go into tool section and now we go into usage rights, and here you can see there are two options: creative commons and commercial licenses. You do not have to choose commercial ones because those are the paid ones. We have to choose the creative common licenses. These are the images that you can use as a reference for your paintings. So yeah, these are various images. You can see there are such beautiful images here, and there are different sites that these images are resulted from. So you can check these images out. You can do a lot of searches, lot of different references from here. The second method are from different websites that sell stock images or give free stock images. My first favorite website is Pixels, Pexels. Yeah, so you can see the images here are very modern, fresh, and I love this website mainly because it is regularly updated and new photographers put on their photos, and you can even thank the photographer and download the images. I have found beautiful food photography references from this website, so do check it out. My second website is Pixabay. Pixabay offers a wide range of photos, especially if you are looking for photos without backgrounds. Then I would recommend Pixabay. And I have collected a lot of landscape references from Pixabay because I think their colors really pop out and are very natural looking as compared to Pixels. I see I have opened an image of a landscape picture here. This will be an amazing watercolor painting, guys. So yeah, this is the second website. My third website is Unsplash. This is a fairly unknown website because I have not seen this spoken about a lot. But yeah, the photographs in this one are more or less similar to the first two websites, but they also have wallpapers, and they have quite an interesting range of pictures. If you can see, the perspectives are really different from the first two. So whenever I want to have good perspective on my images, I check out Unsplash. And yeah, see if you can. I'm just dragging this down. There are beautiful bird pictures, and I love this bird. This one, this can again become a very good watercolor painting, and you can also follow the photographer here. You can like his pictures, you can see the series. So yeah, this one is also great, similar to the first two. But once you start checking these websites out, you will understand that every site is different, and not many pictures are replicated across sites. So that is a great thing to have. I hope all your questions are solved. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also, I am putting here two more videos which you might interest you. And always stay connected, stay creative.